Seaforth Sports Club and York United each have a leg into the final of the Surge St. Thomas Major League. The return leg semis will be contested on Sunday.
Defending champions White Horses and Prospect both have huge margins to overhaul against Seaforth and York United if they are to advance to the final of the Surge St. Thomas Major League. Prospect are first up and they believe they can turn the 3-1 result around and book a spot in the final.
We want to correct our mistakes. It's not beyond us, the ball is wrong, and we still feel we can recover, and we feel we can turn the tables. We have to be optimistic, we have to believe, and we have to stay focused.
Despite leading the tie, York will not be taking things lightly in their quest to go all the way.
Well, basically, it will be a mental preparation game. A mental preparation. You're a +2 goals up. We have to look at it at an attacking situation. We have to look at our defensive situation. We have to look in terms of how we approach the game, in terms of management.
White Horses trail 4-0 in their contest and will have to dig deep if they want to keep alive their hopes of retaining the title.
It's a hard hill to climb, but we have to go prepare sharper, first to the football, win the first ball, second ball, because that will be difficult tonight. We wasn't win the first ball and second ball. So back to the drawing board with that, and hopefully we can come out much sharper and focus with the game on Sunday.
Seaforth, who squeezed into the last 4, are keen to return to the top of the summit in the parish. They plan to work even harder than the first leg to ensure they're into the championship finale.
If we go 4-0 up, there's a lot of pressure easier, but I'm not going to say it's going to be easy because teams are coming and they want to win. So for me, it's quite a comfortable lead for now, but I wouldn't put anything past it. But I'm confident in the guys that we're going to go past the second leg and make it to the final.
Both games will be played at the Express Sports Complex with the first match set at 5 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.